Guys, for today's vlog, we're going to prepare Natalie's a little birthday party. And yes, we are now preparing for her birthday, fourth birthday, and this is her mom, and that is Natalie. Yeah, she will be 4 years old today. I asked her how old she is, and she told that. Anyway, she is 4 years old, and we're just preparing some foods for here, like little spaghetti, and not a lot, just a little macaroni salad and pork stick. We're not cooking a lot because we're just 6 people here in house. Her mom, Natalie, me, sis, brother, and the canoe. And yes, this is the ingredients for our menu for today. This is the steak. I am cooking that one, and it's already 1 hour cooking. So the meat is tender, and yes, she is still chopping or cutting cutting the hot dog. She's doing it because I told her to cook the spaghetti, because I will be the one to prepare for the macaroni salad, and also I will be the one to cook a pork stick. Yes, I am now preparing the macaroni salad. I put the raisins, the cocoa. What's that? The cocoa? No, no, I don't know. And this is the whole sweet corn. Yeah, I like the whole sweet corn in the macaroni salad. When I make it, I always like it. And even in the pork stick, I always like to eat that sweet corn. Yeah, I already put the mixed fruit, which is the Del Monte Fiesta. Tapos, and now I will going to put this mayonnaise. I'm just going to put a little bit mayonnaise, so the taste is not that bad. I don't like mayonnaise, no. I'm going to add this condensed milk. It's very sticky because they put it in the ref, and it's very sticky. And now I'm going to add this Nestle cream. I just put one Nestle cream because, as I said, it's not a lot, so just one Nestle cream for that. And now this is my company
guys,
here in the kitchen.
we are
She is now preparing for
we
her
are
spaghetti.
cooking.
And this is the carrots and
Okay.
potatoes, because I will going to
It's my birthday,
cut it,
Natalie's birthday day.
so I can add it to my pork stick that I'm cooking. So now we are doing that. This is the stuff, or this is the cans that I use for the salad. It's very messy in the kitchen now. No one is cleaning for that because we're still working on our food. We're still cooking. And so yes, that's all. That's what we got for today. That's what we were doing. It's messy out there. Yeah, this is the pork stick, and
We're going to put tomato
I'm just
paste.
going to add this tomato paste. One tomato paste only. Budget. Just a budget time. I'm just going to add that one
Itong
whole
Worcestershire sauce, big
tomato
Worcestershire
paste.
sauce. Okay, pagkita lang
It's
na.
not big pouch.
And we're
just a
going to
small
put,
one.
din na,
And
pagkita lang
then,
na. Why,
now we're going to add this Worcester sauce. I don't know how to pronounce it better, but this is the sauce for the spaghetti. Sister made it, and she put it to cubes. I don't know, pork cubes or what's that cubes, but this is the pork stick I made. I already put the potato, the carrots, the beans, the eggplant, mixed veggies. Made it, and I'm just cut it, and then I'll just buy fruit, no veggies out there. I'll just buy, and then I am the one to cut it, and then I'll just put it, because if we're going to buy mixed fruit in the grocery store, it's very very expensive. So you have to do is you're just going to buy bridges there and make your own mixed bridges. And yeah, that's my sister, and this is also my sister and Natalie. Natalie's coming here, and they're watching TV, relaxing. So yes, as you see, it's so messy. And today, this is my pork stick that I cook. It tastes good. Try it, guys. It really tastes good. This is the potato fried because Kano is requesting it, and this is the spaghetti. I am the one putting the toppings in it. This cheese toppings. I am the one to put it. Yeah, just a little spaghetti because it's just us 6 people. And this is Natalie's cake from Goldilocks. So it's 4th birthday. Happy birthday, Nanak. This is your birthday cake for today. And even if we are just here, so we're done. So yes, this is the fruit salad, the steak, the spaghetti, and the cake. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy watching my videos, and please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.